Hello there guys, welcome in another part. So over here we finished last time. Let's go to our content browser and let's click on our material. And what we're gonna deal with, we're gonna deal with the rock material because the material doesn't look that great. So we are here. Let's right click on the empty space. Let's go to math, and from math let's take new multiply. Okay, I lost it. Here's if you're gonna lost any time, just click this button. It's gonna return you over to the state where you can have your textures. Um, so we have multiply over here. Right now, let's bring two more items. Let's go to the constant and new constant. That's gonna be a number which we're gonna multiply our texture, and coordinates, new texture coordinates. Yep. So okay, coordinates, let's hook up to A, and constant, let's hook up to B. Let's click on our constant, and over here let's put the number, for example 5. Okay, so we have texture coordinate multiply by 5, and let's hook up this one to texture, diffuse texture, and to a normal map. As you can see, this one has changed, but nothing really changed on the scene. Because we didn't apply this texture, let's accept the changes, and this changes has been applied to our model. So as you can see over here, the texture looking pretty good. It's fine. Let's deal with the other one. So let's deal with this. So what we have to do here, it's essentially the same thing. Let's bring up the map. Let's go to new multiply, new constant, and the new texture coordinates. Okay. This one, let's make it 3. And let's hook up in the same way like our previous material. And let's apply changes. Okay. Let's have a look on the floor. It doesn't look that great still. So let's multiply by a higher number. For example, 6. And let's apply changes. Yeah, that's looking a bit better. Let's save all, and let's play from here. As you can see, lighting is not that good. This one looks too square at the moment, and the texture, as you can see over here, seams in the floor. But don't worry about this now. We're gonna cover this, and the video is a bit choppy. But don't worry about that. It's all because we didn't finish it yet. Okay, so it's time to bring the rest. And what I mean by rest, I mean by all those models, but I don't really want to set them manually in UDK. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna divide it. So basically, what we're gonna do? We're gonna take all this part, including all of those. Let's do it in easier way. Let's pick up this one. And actually, can I leave this way? No, don't want to. Okay, let's do it this way. Let's select all and combine, and let's go to modify and center pivot. So right now it's centered. Okay, so we have this one done, but we need to apply the collisions to it. So let's create a box. Just one box for now, it's fine. And what we need to do, we need to put them in a specific place over here to make one big collision, one big box collision for this support. And later we're gonna create one box for entire rails. So just to make it everything simple, something on the middle. Okay, that's gonna be fine. Let's duplicate that and duplicate again. Over here, what we need to do, we need to change it a bit. We need to rotate this. And just put it nicely on the place. And duplicate it again. And duplicate again. Okay, so this one is ready. This one is done. What we need to do next is to create the collider for the rails. It's pretty simple as well. We pick up this one, rotate it 90. And we need to pick up the scale. Okay, this is fine. Something like this it's okay for us. And let's change the view. This view gonna be way more simpler for us. And let's finish over here. It's fine, this one. And what we need to do, we need to extrude this now. So let's select the face. Let's go back to our view. Let's extrude it once. rotate it a bit. Now put it on the place. Over here it's fine. Extrude it again. Move it on the place. Rotate it. Move it on the place. And extrude it last time. And just pull it to the end. And okay, that's perfect, that's fine. We finish, we don't have too many collisions. So let's right now go to our outliner, and it's Polycube 81. And actually this one we can rename it, it's gonna be Rails 001. And let's go back, and it's gonna be UDX A and the name Rails 01. Let's just copy the name, it's gonna be much simpler. UDX B UDX C and so on. Yeah, all fine. So let's set all of them visible, and let's export all. We're exporting on the same model, yes. Let's go back to our UDK. Let's pick up import. All fine, yes. Where's our model? Our model is here. Let's have a look. It says it doesn't have collisions, which is a bit weird. Let's delete it. And let's have a look again. Okay, this one is UDX, Rails. This one should be all fine. Okay, let's try to import again. Okay, because I put in the under grouping materials. That was my bad. But this still doesn't have collisions. Let's have a look in the naming, but first let's delete all of this. Okay, so let's go back to Maya and let's figure out what's wrong. So we have here Rails 1. Well, everything should be fine. So let's have a look. This is Rails, this UDX. Oh yeah, sorry, it should be UCX. Yeah, my bad. So let's quickly fix it. Okay, everywhere is UCX right now, and let's export it out. That always happens when I'm trying to do things fast. Okay, so let's import this. Yes to all. Yes. And let's have a look in our model. Where is it? As you can see right now it have collisions. It doesn't show the collision for this part. Let's have a look in Maya again. So it doesn't show this one, and it's UCXA. Let's have a look if it's fine. Okay. Well, it's showing it doesn't have a collision. But let's first set it up on the correct place. Then we're gonna deal with the material. Okay. Okay, as you can see, it doesn't have this collision. So let's go back to Maya and let's see what's wrong. So it's UCX A Rails. Okay, this naming is wrong. Okay, just noticed. Oh, yep. The the previous one was wrong. Okay, so let's export it again. Lots of going in both ways, but at least it's gonna be looking properly and there is no mistakes. Okay, as we can see, there's material right now there. Sorry, collision. So okay, let's find this one. Let's go to our materials and let's apply some materials to it. Okay, over here it's showing there's material 0, so this one's gonna be this. Yep, and this material, it's gonna be this. Yeah, this one is fine. Let's have a look on our wood. As you can see, it's pretty good. Do I need to multiply it? Let's just have a preview. Is wood looking fine? It's looking okay. Let's have a preview from top. What I need to multiply, I see right now, it's rails. Okay. Okay, this one's looking good. Wood is okay, but the rails need to be fixed. And collision working fine. Okay, that's out. And as you can see, the level looking, this part actually looking pretty good. The square walls, they are not that great, but that's just for now. They are looking pretty bad. Okay, so right now, what we need to do is multiply this texture. So let's go to quickly. Let's do it. Let's go to math, multiply, constant, and coordinates, and texture coordinate. Okay, let's do it quick. Pick up this. And multiply by 5 maybe. Yeah, looking a bit better. How we see this on the scene. Okay, I was not placed on the place where I want. Okay, this looking way better. That's perfect. So okay, on the next part, what we're gonna do? We're gonna finish the corridors. We're gonna like basically finish this model and place it in the correct place, and then we're gonna start to deal with our terrain. Okay, thanks guys. See you soon.